Okay, if I can start recording with my big rocket launcher.
Fucking right. I'm gonna do the. Right, fuck it. We'll just do it launchers. I can't see what could possibly go wrong.
No, we're just gonna win with this.
I might just actually pull out the combat knife and then let you use that. Because if I train them up with a combat knife and you camp somewhere, just shoot into it.
I think you can actually switch, because you can change, it's not going to change class. I don't know if you can just switch what gun you're using.
Fuck knows.
Let's go
for it.
Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's my first time with my voice and my face in it.
Right, I've got 3 classes up.
We survived longer than that.
Aether Shroud.
Do you see the chat, by the way? The chat corner.
Hold on, Ring of Fire.
Like I burn.
Oh no, I even got your stream up. Hold on.
It's not. I'm not streaming. I'm recording.
Oh, the chat. Right. Okay. All right. I see it.
Yeah, I don't know if it works or not. That's all. Reagan didn't react when I said some things to her.
Right. It's alright.
Always. Let's go. I've not even read the rules for this, but we can't use support. I know that. I might just try it with the combat knife first. We can submit it regardless and be like, yo, let's go. Is that Richthofen in that picture? I think it is.
What? Where?
The picture that on the loading screen, there's a picture of a Nazi scientist shaking someone's hand, and it looks like Richthofen. But
I don't see it anywhere.
The outfit looks like Richthofen. I hate the fact that there's this big thing in front of the loading screen. It needs to fuck off. That's some.
Oh, is it the video in the background?
Yeah. Alright, here we go. Also, I selected my knife class.
You've got a green light, strike team. Happy?
Let's go.
You have your orders, strike team.
Oh, you can't change your class. You can pause the game. You can pause the game.
Your class. Oh, your class will change next time you spawn now.
Okay. So then.
I don't want to have my knife. I want to die.
No, we could knife up until like round 14. One of us dies, changes, and then.
Fuck it. Let's go.
Preferably, if we're gonna do it for you, can we wait till the end of the round to do it?
So this
Yeah.
is ground zero. Whatever happened here is the cause of the dimensional breaches all over the world.
So does it? This surely does tie in
Correct, Dr. Ray. Let's get
to
this inside.
zombies like Ether.
Hmm.
This surely ties into OG zombies storyline.
I think it does.
The fact that this is ground zero, it was ground zero for original zombies as well.
I think Ground Zero, Darius.
I can't remember for the life of me. The zombie storyline's a bit. You're on nuke. I like that you can pause this one as well. It means that if we go for records more, that we can like have a life outside of zombies. Mine. Ah, fuck that. Dum dum da da dum dum da da dum. Stop pausing, you gimp. Now I know how it feels.
I'm gonna pause it for like half an hour and not tell you when I'm starting it. I'm pausing it.
You bitch. You'll do it once. That zombie fucking laughed at me, what the fuck?
Here,
Yeet.
have some ammo.
Ah yes, I need ammo, yes. Much ammo, much need, yes. I forget the quality of this is gonna look fucking beautiful when I have to upload it. All my settings are
No,
ultra.
the video's gonna be fucked by YouTube's compression.
Probably. Ah, just look at the ray tracing, man. Oh wait, you can.
Come mierda.
The new Spider-Man game on PS5 looks good. Having
I've only
watched
played-
the gameplay of it, it looks pretty good.
I've played the first hour and a half, and so far the story doesn't seem like it's going anywhere.
Oh, it gets fucking interesting, to say the least.
I'll probably start playing it properly once I actually get a PS5. Or if I get one.
Yeah, I'm still debating whether I might get both at some point.
And the exclusives on PS5 are fucking amazing.
I just think overall Xbox is just gonna be better this time.
The system itself's probably gonna be a lot better than PS5, but
I mean, PS5, what fucking... They're not even backwards compatible, are you? We're getting fucking every generation of Xbox.
yeah, I don't know why Sony. Like, apparently the reason that the head of Sony gave is PS3 games are old, so no one will want to play them. And that's the reason why it's not backwards
Xbox
compatible.
like, here, our first fucking console, here, let's let you can play the games on that. I get you're nostalgic for them and want to play them.
Bro, it's like one of the big things I hate about PlayStation.
Can't use it. Can't use it. Why is there a fucking keyboard here?
He's still.
The fuck?
Mind you. This is absolutely disgusting.
Bruh.
This is... what the fuck is this? This is fucking just no. Like, just no. Oh fuck. Ah, fuck, my game's not open. It's all good.
There.
How? That was such a fucking fast round.
Nice fucking cheese. Both got 100, nearly 140 kills combined. On round fucking 8.
I'm trying to send a text.
Hmm?
I'm trying to send a text. I'm doing that thing where I train with one hand again.
Oh no.
Bro, you know I've mastered this art. That's not 28. What the fuck? No. What the fuck? What the fuck? How? What the fuck was that?
By the way, the change in the class doesn't change your thing, so I've got Ring of Fire.
Fair.
Oh. Wait, hold on. Okay, no, I'll be able to get you.
If you're not able to get me, then... Oh, you can get me, it's fine. I won't change class just yet.
Just solid insta-kill and yeet them with a C4.
What annoys me is every time I tab my game, it fucking takes me off. Like, I can't see the game.
That's not good.
So that's why I kind of tend, when I'm checking things, to go down. Because I can't see it unless I look on the preview screen.
Are we doing with... Oh shit. With support or without?
Without.
Right.
Zombie threat.
That's stupid. Let's not do that.
Here, have some ammo. I know you've been using lots.
Oh, thanks so much.
I know the ammo's hard to come by nowadays.
Yeah.
Wait, how? Is there somewhere you can sit where the zombies can only get to you one way?
The top of the wing near Jug.
No, I meant like here. Like in the starting.
No. I don't think there is. 'Cause you can come up two ways. Like the stairs and we're here.
Well, if you could just... I reckon if you could probably camp
Oh,
this.
I don't think that's gonna work.
I mean, we have a world record right now anyway, so... If you guard that way, I'll guard this way. If things get a bit too headed. Yeah, you got it fucking easy, because...
I'll just go around you.
I think this is a legit possible strategy here.
For starting rounds, I think you probably. Maybe.
Never mind. Dep.
Oh shit.
That second you get like 3 or 4 coming at you at once, it's like, haha, no.
Oh.
Here, I know you've been using some ammo. Here you go.
Let's go.
Just try to save up all my nades and stuff for later.
Raptor 1 is nearby, strike.
I think at the end of round 12, I'll down and die, so I can change my class.
Yeah.
Just so I've got a rocket launcher for the Megaton.
Yeah, I'll just keep using knife until it runs out, and then I'll probably die at some point. Watch back. Oh fuck. What the fuck? You just get stuck. You like,
Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna be able to get you.
if you don't get me, I'll just fucking...
I don't have Aether Shroud either. Oh.
And I'm getting connection interrupted.
Oh no. Don't disconnect.
Daniel. You're fucking shouting
Oh.
it. I swear to God.
Don't do it.
Daniel.
Don't do it. You're...
Okay, I'm back. Oh, what the fuck? It disconnected me.
Oh, fuck's sake.
Connection to the Blizzard server has been lost.
Oh, that's you then.
You know what?